Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 2, and our today's topic is short questions 3 and 4. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 12 and SW number 11. Lecture number 12 is W number 11. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn short questions 3 and 4. In our previous class, we have learned short question 1 and 2. So my dear students, let's start. At first, look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 2 question and answer also. Okay, my dear students, now question number 3. Does it take time when Allah wants to do a thing? Does it take time when Allah wants to do a thing? Our answer is, my dear students, no. Allah does not need time when He wishes to do anything. He creates it out of nothing. My dear students, I'm repeating the answer again. No, Allah does not need time. When He wishes to do anything, He creates it out of nothing. Now, my dear students, question number 4. Can we create anything out of nothing? Can we create anything out of nothing? Our answer is, no, we cannot create anything out of nothing. Only Allah is able to create anything out of nothing. My dear students, I am repeating the answer again. No, we cannot create anything out of nothing. Only Allah is able to create anything out of nothing. My dear students, you know that Allah is able to create everything, anything, from anything. But my dear student, as a man, we cannot create anything out of nothing. So my dear students, you know that Allah is our creator, Allah is our Khalik. Khalik means creator. Allah is most powerful. In this regard, Allah can create anything. So my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we have learned 2 questions, short questions 3 and 4. My dear students, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. My dear students, look at the board again. Today is our SW number 11. You will make SW at your home, short question 3 and 4, and you will write only answer. Only answer. You will write only answer. Only answer. No need to write the question. You will make SW at your home, this 2 question only answer as SW number 11. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.